I'm using the VERO sample base to show how a top rail and mid rail would get installed in an actual kitchen. The horizontal rails, there's two shapes. The top rail, or ETR, which is somewhat of a J shape, and the mid rail, the EMR, which is a C shape. The top rail runs all the way across a long run of cabinets. So with VERO, you'll install your base cabinets just like you normally would. Emphasis on plumb, level, and this line straight, very critical. Once everything is set, before the countertop goes on, you're going to install your rail components. You will cut the rail to the exact length. If you're using some type of panel at the end, which we recommend, go ahead and attach that panel so that gives you a stopping point. Measure your length, cut on a saw, and then you're going to install. In each cabinet, you'll see some of these. These are your connectors and your support clips. The support clip with the two tabs is factory installed on the cabinet. Everywhere there's a notch for a rail, you'll see these. Down here where the mid rail goes between two drawers, you'll see them there. Hanging off of this will be these small connector clips. They look like this. And I would load this up with multiple clips, or you can insert them once the rail is in place. You can reach behind, horizontal position, slides into the slot. And what's going to happen, the way this works, is these are going to slide in and twist and lock the rail in between those two tabs. Very simple, no tools. So to install the rail, I'm putting my connectors on the rail. They're in position. I'm actually going to turn them, get near the end and turn them 90 degrees. Place the rail tight to my panel there, holding in place. And then I'm going to push the clip in until it snaps. Same on the other end. And you're connected.